It begins in the fields. Endless rows of genetically optimized potatoes stretch toward the horizon, their roots buried deep in chemically treated soil. They are not like the wild, imperfect potatoes of the past. These are different. Engineered. Bred for one purpose. Uniformity. Consistency. A perfect golden fry. But perfection does not come naturally. The seeds of control. The journey begins with an unnatural selection. Farmers, bound by contracts, grow only what the industry demands: russet Burbank potatoes, long, thick, ideal for slicing. Yet these crops do not grow alone. They are bathed in pesticides, herbicides, and chemical fertilizers, ensuring that only the strongest survive, ensuring no blight, no deformity, no imperfection taints the harvest. The chemicals seep into the earth, into the water, into the very DNA of the crop. The soil itself becomes addicted to this treatment, unable to sustain life without constant chemical intervention. McDonald's demand for flawless fries has led to the mass use of a pesticide so toxic that farmers refuse to enter the fields for days after it has been applied. A silent, invisible danger lingers in the air, coating the plants, seeping into the ground. The earth is no longer just dirt, it is a graveyard of nutrients, replaced by an artificial system designed to maintain control. The harvest, a violent extraction. When the time comes, machines descend upon the fields, their steel claws raking through the soil, pulling thousands of potatoes from their quiet slumber. There is no ceremony, no reverence for the life uprooted. The potatoes are stripped from their birthplace, carted away in enormous industrial trucks, bouncing helplessly as they make their way toward their destiny. Their fate is sealed. The factory awaits. Inside, the transformation begins. The potatoes arrive in vast quantities, piled high, dumped into hoppers like lifeless bodies. The air is thick with the starchy scent of raw potential. Conveyors groan under the weight as the crop is carried forward, forced into an intricate network of machines designed to break them down. They are washed, scrubbed, stripped of their earthly origins. But the process is not gentle. The washing is relentless, blasting away dirt, bacteria, and any evidence that these once grew in the soil. The peeling is brutal, spinning blades scraping away every last layer of skin, ensuring that what remains is nothing but flesh, raw and vulnerable. Then comes the blade. With surgical precision, high-speed knives slice through the flesh of the potatoes, turning them from organic roots into eerily identical strips, each measured, each judged, each forced into the mold of corporate perfection. The pieces that do not conform are cast aside, unworthy of the final product. Imperfect fries cannot exist. The industry demands sameness. But the transformation is not complete. The bath of preservation. The strips are dunked into chemical baths, preservatives clinging to their surface like an invisible film. They must survive the journey ahead, remain pristine, untarnished by time. Without this treatment, they would darken, oxidize, reveal their true nature. But there is no room for imperfection here. Only the illusion of purity. These preservatives go beyond mere freshness. They alter the texture, the resilience, the very essence of the fry. The taste must be predictable. The structure must be unwavering. No matter where in the world you bite into a McDonald's fry, it must taste exactly the same. This is not food. This is engineering. The first baptism, industrial oil. Next, the fries-to-be take their first plunge into oil, an industrial fryer, bubbling with a carefully engineered blend of oils. But this is no ordinary cooking process. This is the first stage, a preliminary baptism, meant not to finish them, but to prepare them. The heat locks in the structure, gives them their outer shell. It is only a tease of what is to come. Once partially cooked, the fries are flash frozen, suspended in time, their journey temporarily paused. They are packaged, sealed, and sent across the world, awaiting the moment when they will meet their true fate. In frozen limbo, they wait. The final transformation. And then, they arrive. At thousands of McDonald's locations, freezers hum with their contents, bags of frozen fries, lined up in neat, obedient rows. The moment a customer places an order, the next phase begins. The fries are poured into baskets, dropped once more into searing hot oil, this time reaching their final form. They crisp, they harden, they take on the golden glow of something designed to be irresistible. But what gives them their signature taste? The secret ingredient is hidden in plain sight: beef flavoring. A ghostly remnant of animal product lingers within the golden shell, ensuring that every bite carries a whisper of something more, something few ever question. This is not mere potato. This is something crafted, engineered, perfected for addiction. The fries emerge, glistening, dripping with oil, yet impossibly dry to the touch. Salt is scattered across their surface, not just for taste, but for science. The precise balance of fat, salt, and starch triggers a reaction in the brain, a craving, an urge, a need for more. The endless hunger. And so, they are served. A red carton, golden arches, the embodiment of fast food pleasure. People reach in, take a bite. Their tongues are rewarded with the perfect crunch, the fleeting warmth, the chemical-induced satisfaction. But it does not last. Moments later, the high fades. The body, tricked into thinking it has received nourishment, realizes the truth. There is nothing of substance here. No true sustenance. Just oil. Just salt. Just the cycle of craving, consuming, crashing. And craving again. The customer, unaware, reaches for another fry. And another. And another. McDonald's French fries are not just food. They are a formula, an equation perfected over decades to ensure one thing: that you will always want more. If you found this deep dive into the hidden side of McDonald's French fries unsettling, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another exposé. What do you think about fast food now? Drop a comment below, and check out our other videos for more unsettling truths about the food we eat. Until next time, stay aware, stay curious, and question everything. Thanks for watching.